This 2019 Ram 1500 is brought to you by Affinity Automotive Repairs and Amp Sales LLC. We can get you what you want. 1. Let us know what you are looking for. 2. Based off of your chosen options, we email you a list of available vehicles. 3. After you choose the vehicle that an AMP number 39 is right for you, make a deposit of $500 to $1,000 to secure it. 4. We locate your vehicle, quality check it, and service any minor repairs it may need. 5. Your vehicle is ready for you. Drive away happy. Call us today at 407-802-2960. Visit us at affinityautomotive.com.